and go. Okay. Hi, Blake with BlvdHome, and today we're going to talk about this GE all-in-one unit. And you're going to say, Blake, I know we've already talked about these units before, but we haven't talked about this. We've already had a major failure with one. With these units, I've been really impressed with them. I mean, they've been a good unit. They work well. They do their things better than anybody as far as I'm concerned, as far as an all-in-one unit. But we've already had a major catastrophe with one. We had a service call to the home that the dryer wasn't drying. So we went out to the home, looked at it, and we had a bad inverter board. This unit has about 3 or 4 different boards that are in it for different reasons, but it has what's called an inverter board. Now the inverter board on this unit, what it does is it powers up the heat pump system to make sure that it works and works properly. The inverter board failed, we replaced it, and after we replaced it, fired it up, went through the diagnostic test. By the way, kudos to you, GE. I love your diagnostic on this unit, top notch. In running the diagnostic after it wasn't, the compressor would fire up and everything was running, but no go as far as heat exchanging. Unfortunately, we had a compressor system fail on one of these. You're thinking, well, that's not big of a deal, it's under warranty. Well, yeah, it's under warranty for a year. The parts are covered in the seal system for 5 years total, so you get an additional 4 years past the manufacturer's warranty. But we had to replace it. It wasn't an easy task to put this in. I mean, it could have been easier, I will tell you. You know, first time doing anything, but still it was quite the challenge. But it took 2 guys about an hour and a half to hour 45 to install this compressor system in this. Now, when you get the compressor system, it is the whole thing. You can't pick and choose parts. It is the whole kit and caboodle. It's your evaporator, it's your compressor, it's everything you possibly want for it. This part, current retail, as we're filming right now, is $1,133 plus tax. You heard me right. $1,133. That's a lot of money. Plus the time, the service call to the home, and the hour and a half, 2 hours spent installing it. That's gonna be a big chunk of money to, you know, once this fails. But we got it put in, tested it, everything worked great. I mean, it's back up and running, customer's happy, and that's all that matters. But for you, the customer, is it a concern? The price really concerns me because it's not going to get any cheaper as time goes along. It's going to get more expensive. I mean, whatever goes along and becomes cheaper. Nothing nowadays. Everything just keeps going up and up and up in price. You're going to say, well, yeah, I bought this unit and it's going to last me for 5 years. I don't have to worry about it for those particular parts. Well, you're right. But if you're spending the money you're spending for this, over $2,000, the part is half the cost of this unit as a whole. In 5 years or 6 years, if it fails, man, you've thrown a lot of money out the door really quickly for this unit, and you're gonna have to replace the whole thing. Or you've got to, lack of a better word, suck it up and repair it. So I don't know, I'm kind of torn on this. You know, they've been good so far. This is the only one, so I'm not too overly concerned about it yet, but it is something that we are going to keep an eye on, and we'll keep you informed as service progresses along, and you know, if we have any more problems with these. But there's been a lot of them have gone out there, had very few problems. So still, if you're still looking for an all-in-one, this is still my pick. But I'm going to be honest with you also about the problems we're having with it, and it's been really good except for this one. So I hope this information has helped you if you're still on the fence about getting this unit or not getting this unit. But again, between this one and the LG, I would still go with this unit. So if you have any questions or any comments about anything about this unit, please put in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you again real soon. Well, thanks for watching, but wait, don't leave yet, because we have lots of other videos. You should check them out on our channel because there's lots of great information that you will definitely find useful. You know, if you have any questions about something, check them out. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again real soon.